Hello. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Welcome sa ating channel. At bago tayo magpatuloy, pakihingi ng isang like and subscribe. At huwag kalimutang pindutin ang notification bell para lagi tayong updated sa mga bagong upload natin. Okay, so our topic is about the Cartesian coordinate system or the Cartesian plane. Okay, so early in the 17th century, René Descartes, a French mathematician and a philosopher, used the horizontal line, okay, and vertical lines or vertical number lines drawn perpendicular to each other. Okay, so ito yung vertical, yung pababa, saka yung horizontal line. Okay? Ngayon, yung plane dito ay na-divide siya into 4 regions. Okay, ang tawag niyan, quadrants. So, ito yung quadrant 1, ito yung quadrant 2, ito yung quadrant 3, quadrant 4, in counterclockwise direction. Okay, so, the two number lines are called the x-axis. Ito yung horizontal line, kaya ito yung x-axis. And the y-axis, ito yung vertical line. Y, dito sa taas, lagay ko yung y-axis dyan. Okay, then the plane that contains x and y axis is called the coordinate plane. So, ang tawag ito ngayon, ito yung tinatawag na coordinate plane. The point 0, walang 0 nakalagay dyan, di ba? So, lagyan natin ng 0 dyan. Sorry. 0. Okay, ang tawag dyan, the number line intersect, ito yung nag-intersect sa number line, sa dalawang number line, di ba? Sa vertical at sa horizontal. So, ito yung point na yan. Ang tawag niyan ay point of origin. Okay? So, the ordered pairs of numbers are used to locate points in a plane. The points are named with the reference to two perpendicular number lines. The first number, or the coordinate of an ordered pair. So, ito yung tinatawag na ordered pair. Okay? So, kung lagyan natin ng number yan, x is 1, y is 2. Example lang yan, ha? So, the first number or the coordinate of an ordered pairs or ordered pair corresponds to a number on the x-axis. Ito yung first. Yan. It is called the abscissa. So, ang tawag niyan ay abscissa. The second number, ito yung y. The second number of the ordered pair corresponds to the number on the y-axis. It is called the ordinate. Okay? So, ngayon, kapag mag-graph tayo, to graph a point A in the coordinate plane, okay, kinalan tayo at the right, start at the region, move 5 units to the right. And then, move 4 units up. Okay, kung hinahanap natin yung 5, yung x natin is 5, then y is 4. Okay, so x natin is 5. Ito, di ba? Sa vertical tayo, x kasi yan. Yung first na number, si 5, that is yung x. So, x is 5, then y is 4. So, count tayo ng 4 units up. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, ito yung 5 and 4. Okay, so, makikita siya sa first quadrant. Kapag yung sign natin dyan ay positive at saka positive. Okay, dito naman sa quadrant 2, yung x dito is negative. Okay, yung y is positive. Okay, example, negative 2 and positive 3. So, x is negative 2, y is positive 3. Okay, that is negative 2 and positive 3. Dito naman sa third quadrant, yung sign dito ay yung ordered pair dito is negative at saka negative. Yung x niya is negative, yung y is negative. Example, negative 3 and negative 4. X is negative 3, y is negative 4. Ayan. X is negative 3, y is negative 4. Okay? Dito naman sa fourth quadrant, ang ordered pair natin dito, x niya is positive, yung y niya is negative. Okay? So, example, x is 4, y is negative 5. Or negative 4 na lang kasi wala tayong negative 4. X is positive 4. Ayan. Y is negative 4. So, 4 and negative 4. Okay, so hanggang dito lang muna yung topic natin. At maraming salamat sa panonood at pakikinig. At again, sa hindi pa nakasubscribe, pasubscribe na lang or pakisubscribe na lang at pakishare na rin. At huwag kalimutang pindutin ang notification bell para lagi tayong updated sa mga bagong upload natin. Maraming salamat and God bless.